Everyone, today I want to show you how to reset your GFCI switch. The first thing you need to do is just grab something that has an indicator to see if it's actually getting power or not. So for me, this power block has a little light here, so it should tell me if it's getting power. So there is no light coming on here, so that means that this GFCI needs to be reset. And there's a couple different ways, but the first and easiest thing you should do is just remove this. And on your GFCI, you have a reset and a test. If you click the reset button, which happens to be the red button, that should reset the GFCI. And if I plug this in, that was the problem with this outlet. But if this doesn't work for you, we'll have to go down in the basement or wherever your electrical panel is located and see if there's a tripped breaker. And I will take you down there and show you what that looks like right now. All right, now that I've found the electrical panel here, I'm just using this as a demonstration. But if you come down and you see that everything is on, except for the one, then your breaker has tripped. It'll be on the off position. Make sure you fully push it to the left and off. Some only trigger halfway, and then reset it by turning it on. And once you turn it on, go back upstairs and retry the first test that we did. If you have power, great. If not, then there may be some wiring or some other problem that you may need to call an electrician for. If you thought this video was useful, please give a thumbs up. Thank you.